Hello, I've been asked by Artificial Flora to make a quick, helpful video how to use the buy a gift certificate instead feature. It's brilliant. Let's say you're watching this and today is your loved one's birthday and you know for a fact it's too late to get the product to them. You can fill in the details, they'll receive an email and you have recommended, so it shows you put in the effort, recommended a certain product. Or what if you're not late and you're just simply a bit unsure what colour or what size? Again, you just recommend the product to them. When they get the email, they click it, you've already paid for it, and they can do any little changes they need. It's brilliant. So first off, select the colour and the size, whatever the options are on the product you are looking at in this point in time. Press buy a gift certificate instead, and when they receive an email with the gift certificate, on the top of the email there'll be a picture, and the picture defaults to the product, so they know exactly what they're getting. But if you wanted to change it, press view all images, and there's 20 different categories, 220 different photos. Choose the photo which best suits your needs, or if you wanted to change it, go back, press view all, select the category and choose an image. And you can also upload your image from your desktop or take a photo on your phone. Delivery date, if you leave that now, it will literally go immediately. Or if you wanted to select a date in the future, you can pay now and it will automatically go on that date. So enter your loved one's name and your loved one's email address. And let's say you were buying for 2 people at the same time, they're twins and it's their birthday, or it's Christmas and there's multiple people. Simply, it's just one transaction, put in their names and email addresses of different people. So after you've done that, type in your name and your message. So here I've got, Dear Lucy, happy birthday, have an amazing day, lots of love, Sam. By ticking the box there, I will get an email notification when the gift card has been sent out. And then press buy gift card, and by pressing view basket, I'm able to confirm, yes, my name's correct and the delivery date is correct. I didn't need to personalize the gift. I didn't need gift wrapping because this is simply a gift card. So it misses that step out. So proceed to checkout. If you're on an Android device, you'll see a button at the top around about here saying pay with Google Pay. And if you're on an iPhone, it'll say pay with Apple Pay. If not, just fill in your billing details. There's no need to enter your shipping details because it'll go directly to the person's email. And then when you're done, press place order. Thank you ever so much.